Hello everyone and welcome to my studio. I'm Trish Crosby and today I wanted to share one of my favorites with you. It's a new product that I've been using. It is Kuretake Gansai Tambi Granulating Watercolors. I wanted to show you just how magical these colors can be, so I'm going to be swatching them out for you. And then I'm going to do a painting demonstration to show you what you can accomplish with these beautiful colors. These Kuretake Gansai Tambi watercolors are different than most granulating watercolors because they have 3 different pigments in them. And the way that they granulate and they separate out from one another is absolutely beautiful. So the colors that come in this 5-piece set are Aurora Red, Aurora Pink, Aurora Orange, Aurora Blue, and Aurora Violet. And as you can see here, the way they separate out is just absolutely beautiful. And now I'm just going to lift out while they're still wet to show you when you lift out what color stays underneath, which gives you this really awesome effect. Look at them, aren't they gorgeous? And this is what they look like when they're dry, completely dry, and you can see how the 3 colors separate out. They're just absolutely stunning. I'm going to leave a link for them in the description box below. Right now they are on sale, so hopefully they still are. I ended up buying 2 more because I just absolutely love them. So for this painting demonstration today, I've never painted a poppy before, and so I'm trying my hat at painting a poppy, and I'm using my Van Gogh student grade palette. I really love Van Gogh because their colors really pop, and I'm mixing them in with these Gansai Tambi granulating watercolors because the granulation just gives you this beautiful extra effect that you can't really get with other watercolors, because when they granulate out they leave these beautiful hues. So I hope you guys enjoy this little poppy painting, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please feel free. It is completely free. And like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description box for all the materials that I used for today's painting. I would go into great detail on this one, but the color variations are so incredibly difficult to describe, so it's just easier just to show you a demonstration today. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I hope you're doing well, and have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching.